12 bold primary color 3/4 ounce Chefmaster set. There is not very much difference between this color kit and the one we talked about in our number 3 spot. Like that food coloring kit, this one has 12 different colors. These easy squeeze bottles are also 3/4 ounces and are super easy to use. Like all Chefmaster products, they mix into your batter, icing, or whipped cream smooth and without causing any type of weeping. This soft gel paste kit contains coal black, royal blue, sky blue, and ever useful Buckeye Brown. There's also lemon yellow, leaf green, sunset orange, super red, and violet. All those colors are available in the kit mentioned in our number 3 spot. What's new here is the addition of teal, deep pink, and fuchsia. Teal is another food color you don't see very often, and it's a personal favorite of several people in our test kitchen. For that reason, it was argued that perhaps this kit deserved a better spot in our product lineup. But in the end, flesh tone won out as a harder to find food color. Because of the color selection involved, this is a great all-around coloring kit. You get all the colors you need for most projects, as well as harder to find food colors that can be used to make some truly unique combinations. All Chefmaster bottles have an original droplet design that is perfect for getting the exact amount of soft gel paste out for whatever you're trying to color. More than that, the design makes it easy to get even the very last drop of color out of the bottle without a struggle. Here are some pros. Consistent color, easy to use, good selection. And the cons. Only 3/4 ounces. Some taste.